Welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in Class 10 Maths, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. In this session, we are going to discuss about Exercise 3.3, question number 2 and 3. So, question number 2, solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So we have to solve this equation. We will get the values of x and y. We have to substitute the values of x and y here and find out the value of m. So the first step is we have to solve the two equations. So the two equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 11. This is the first equation. Another equation is 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. So from any one of the equation, you have to find the value of x and y. Suppose we can find the value of x from the first equation. So 2x equal to 11. This plus 3y will become minus 3y. So this implies x will be equal to 11 minus 3y. 2 is in product. When it comes to other side, it will be in division. So x value is 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So this is the third equation. So we are substituting the third equation in second. So in second equation, instead of x, we have to substitute 11 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 4y equal to minus 24. This 2 gets cancelled. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. So keeping the y term on one side. So minus 3 plus minus 4 is minus 7y. So here minus 24. When 11 comes to other side, it will be minus 11. So which is equal to minus 35. So both the negative sign gets cancelled. So y will be equal to 35 divided by 7. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. So we got the value of y. So we can substitute the value of y in 3. So substituting y is equal to 5 in 3, we will get x. So x is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5 divided by 2. So it is 11 minus 3 into 5 is 15 divided by 2. So 11 minus 15 is minus 4. So because negative sign is for bigger number, so we will get the answer in negative. So minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. So we got x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So we solve the equation. Now we have to find the value of m. So we can substitute this in y is equal to mx plus 3. So substituting the value of x and y in y is equal to mx plus 3. So instead of y, this 5 is equal to m into minus 2 plus 3. So this implies minus 2m equal to, when plus 3 goes to other side, it will be 5 minus 3. So it is equal to 5 minus 3. So m is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. This minus 2 will come down. So the answer is minus 1. So we got m is equal to minus 1. Okay. I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. This is an interesting one. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. So they gave some stories. So we have to frame the equation. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So we have to find the two numbers. So let us define. So let us define as, let the first number. So we are going to define the first number as x. So in the same way, let us define the second number. as y. So what they gave, the difference between two numbers is 26. So if you subtract, that is x minus y, the answer is 26. So next, one number. So let me take the one number as x. One number is 3 times. So 3 times the other number is y. So x is equal to 3y. So we frame the equation. Now the next step is we have to solve the equation. So it is indirectly we got x is equal to 3y. So we can substitute 2 in 1. So instead of x, 3y minus y equal to 26. So 3y minus y is 2y. 2y equal to 26. So y is equal to, so let me write on top. So y is equal to 26 divided by 2. So product will be in division on other side. So 26 divided by 2 is 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So we got y is equal to 13. So we can substitute y is equal to 13 in second equation. Then we will get x is equal to 3 into 13, which is equal to 39. So we got first number as x is equal to 39 and second number y is equal to 30. So this is the solution. Okay, I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So there are two angles. One is larger, one is smaller. So we have to find out the angles. So let me assume, let larger angle be x. In the same way, smaller angle as y. So what they gave, the larger of two angles. So larger angle is x. Exceeds the smaller is y. It exceeds means more. So when you compare to x, when you compare to y, x is more. So how much it is more? It is more by 80. So it is nothing but x is equal to y plus 80. So what about the angles? The angles are supplementary. So supplementary means if you add both the angles, you will get the answer as 180 degree. So these are the two equations. So first equation is direct, that is they gave x is equal to y plus 18. So we can substitute in 1. So we can substitute 1 in 2. So instead of x, we must write y plus 18 plus y equal to 180. So y plus y is 2y equal to 180. This plus 18 will become minus 18. So if you subtract 180 minus 18 is 162. So 2y is equal to 162. Then y will be equal to 162 divided by 2. So when you divide by 2, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 1. So y is equal to 81. So we can substitute y is equal to 81 in first equation. So then x will be equal to 81 plus 18. So 81 plus 18 is 99. So we got the solution. So larger angle x equal to 99, smaller angle y equal to 81. So this is the solution. Okay, this is the easy problem. So let us go to the next problem. It is important one. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So let us frame the question. Let the cost of one bat equal to x and cost of one ball equal to y. So we should write, let cost of one bat be rupees X. In the same way, cost of one ball equal to rupees Y. So what they gave? So coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats. Okay, if one bat cost is X, then 7 bat cost will be 7X. So one ball cost is Y, 6 balls cost is 6Y. Together it is 3,800 rupees. In the same way, later she buys 3 bats. So cost is 3x and 5 balls. So cost is 5y. So total cost is 1,750. So these are the two equations we got. Now we have to solve the equations. So what can we do? We can find x from 1. So from 1, 7x equal to 3,800. This plus 6y will become minus 6y. So x will be equal to 3,800 minus 6y divided by this product 7 will be in division on other side. So this is the third equation. So now we have to substitute this value x in second. So substituting 3 in 2. So instead of x, we have to write 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7 plus 5y equal to 1750. So here in denominator, we have 7. So we can multiply by 7 throughout. So this 7 gets cancelled. So 3 into 3,800 minus 6y. As we are multiplying by 7, so we have to multiply here by 7. So 5 sevens are 35. Here when we multiply by 7, so 0 sevens are 0, 5 sevens are 35, balance 3, 7 sevens are 49, 49 plus 3 is 52, balance 5. So 1 sevens are 7, 7 plus 5 it is 12. So this implies 3 into 3,800. So there are two zeros. Write these two zeros here. 3 eights are 24. Balance 2. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Minus 3 into 6 is 18. Plus 35y equal to 12250. So 35 minus 18y is 17y. So 17y equal to 12250. This plus value will become minus 11400. So if you subtract this value, you will get as 850. So y will be equal to 850 divided by 17. So when you divide by 17, I think 85 times it is 85. 5 sevens are 35, balance 3. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So 5 into 17 is 85. So 5, here 1 0 is there. So we got y is equal to 50. So if we substitute y is equal to 50 here, you will get x. So substituting y is equal to 50 in 3. So here I don't have space. So let me take a fresh page. So remember this value. So we got x is equal to 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. We got y is equal to 50. So we are substituting here. So if we substitute here, 3,800 minus 6 into 50 divided by 7. So which is equal to 3,800 minus 6 by 30 divided by 7. So 3,800 minus 300 is 3500 divided by 7. So it goes 5 times. 5 sevens are 35. So 2 zeros. So we got x is equal to 500 and y is equal to 50. This means cost of one bat, which is x equal to rupees 500. In the same way, cost of one ball, it is nothing but y, is equal to rupees 50. So this is the solution. Okay, I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. Fourth one, which is also an important problem. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Okay. So here the taxi charges are like that. There is a fixed charge and charge per kilometer. So let us assume that fixed charge. One is fixed charge, which is rupees X. Another one is charge per kilometer, which we can assume it as Y. So what they give, for a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 105. So it is nothing but fixed charge plus, so per kilometer it is Y. For 10 kilometer it will be 10Y. So whose charge is 105. In the same way, and for a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is 155. So this 155 is nothing but fixed charge plus charge per kilometer. So 1 kilometer it is Y. So for 15 kilometer it is 15Y, which is equal to 155. So these are the two equations. So we have to solve this equation and find the value of X and Y. So from 1 we can find the value of X. So X will be equal to 105. This plus 10Y will become minus 10. So this is the third equation. So we can substitute 3 in 2. So we got from 1. So we are substituting in 2. So instead of X, 105 minus 10Y. So I'm sorry, it is 15Y equal to 155. So minus 15Y will be this side. Here 155. This plus 105 will become minus 105. So what is the answer? So as we are getting in negative? So let me check. Just I think we missed something. I'm sorry. Just a minute, I will erase this. So we are going to substitute 3 in 2. So 3 is, instead of X, it is 105 minus 10Y. So instead of X, we are substituting the balance, that is plus 15Y, which is equal to 155. So I missed this 15Y, I'm sorry. So here minus 10Y plus 15Y is 5Y, which is equal to 155 plus 105 will become minus 105. So if you subtract this value, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 1 minus 1, 0. So 5y equal to 50 means y is equal to 50 divided by 5. So this 50 in 5 table, it goes 10 times. So we got y is equal to 10. So we can substitute this y is equal to 10 in this equation. So substituting y is equal to 10 in third equation. So X will be equal to 105 minus 10 into 10, which is equal to 105 minus 100. So 105 minus 100 is 5. So we got X is equal to 5 and Y is equal to 10. So we can write as fixed charge. Fixed charge, we assumed it as X, which is equal to rupees. We got the fixed charge as rupees, how much? It is 5. So in the same way, charge per kilometer, which is equal to, which we assumed it as Y. So charge per kilometer is rupees 10. So we got these values. So what they gave, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So instead of Y, it is 25. So for a distance of 25 kilometer, charge is equal to x plus 25y, fixed charge plus kilometer, charge into kilometer. So x is here 5 plus 25, y is nothing but 10. So 5 plus 25 into 10 is 250. So it is 255. So for a 25 kilometer, they get the charges 255. Okay. So I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. So the next problem is a fraction becomes 9 by 11. Okay. If 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So if they add 2 to the fractions, the answer is 9 by 11. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. We have to find the fraction. So this is an interesting problem. So we are going to assume that numerator, there are two things, numerator be x, in the same way denominator is assumed as y. So what is the fraction? So the fraction is x by y. So we have to find x and y. What they gave? If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So we are adding 2 to the numerator and 2 to the denominator. If we add, we are getting 9 divided by 11. So cross multiplying 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. Okay. So 11x plus 22 equal to 9y plus 9 2s are 80. So collecting the terms, we will get 11x minus 9y equal to 18 is here, plus 22 will become minus 22. So 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. So this is one equation. In the same way, if 3 is added to, so this is the first part. So in the second part, they are adding 3 to the numerator and 3 to the denominator. So the answer is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So if you cross multiply, it is 6 into x plus 3, which is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So solving this, 6x plus 6 into 3 is 18, which is equal to 5y plus 15. So 6x minus 5y equal to 15. This plus 18 will become minus 18. So 6x minus 5y will be equal to 15 minus 18 is minus 3. So this is the two equations we got. So now we have to solve the two equations. So let me take a fresh page. So we got 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. Another equation is 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. So these are the two equations. So from any one equations, we can get the value of x. Suppose I am going to use the value of x from 2. So from 2, 6x will be equal to here minus 3 plus 5y. Then x will be equal to minus 3 plus 5y. This 6 will be in division. So this is the value of x. Now substituting 3 in 1. So we got from 2. So we are substituting in 1. So 11 into, instead of x, minus 3 plus 5y divided by 6 minus 9y equal to minus 4. So multiplying throughout by 6, we will get 11 into minus 3 plus 5y, because this 6 gets cancelled. Here we have to multiply by 6. 6 9s are 54. Here we have to multiply by 6. So 6 into 4 is 24. So multiplying with 11 here, 11 into minus 3 minus 33. 11 into 5 is 55y minus 54y equal to minus 24. So 55 minus 54 is 1. So 1y equal to minus 24. This minus 33 will become plus 33. So 33 minus 24. So 33 minus 24 is 9. So we got y is equal to 9. So we can substitute y is equal to 9 in third equation. So if we substitute in third equation, x will be equal to minus 3 plus 5 into 9 instead of y, 9 divided by 6. So minus 3, 5 nines are 45 divided by 6. So 45 minus 3 is 42. 42 divided by 6 is, so it goes 7 times in 6. 7 6 are 42. So x is equal to 7. So we need fraction. So the fraction is, fraction is nothing but x divided by y. So x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9. So the fraction is 7 divided by 9. Okay. So the last problem of this session. This is age problem. 5 years hence. Hence means after. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, before 5 years, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So the question is about present ages. So let us assume, let present age of Jacob be x years. The same way, present age of son be y years. So 5 years hence, that is after 5 years. After 5 years, Jacob's age. At present, Jacob's age is x. After 5 years, it will be x plus 5. In the same way, after 5 years, son's age will be y plus 5. So what is the condition they gave? So the age of Jacob. So Jacob's age is x plus 5 will be 3 times. So 3 times means 3 into 3 times that of his son. So son's age is y plus 5. So solving this, x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 3 into 5, 50. So we will get x minus 3y plus 5 minus 15 equal to 0. So we will get x minus 3y plus 5 minus 15 is minus 10 equal to 0. So this is the first equation. So next is they gave 5 years ago. So that is before 5 years. So before 5 years, Jacob's age. Jacob's age will be, so at present it is x. Before 5 years it will be x minus 5. Okay. So in the same way, son's age will be y minus 5. Then what is the condition? Jacob's age was. So Jacob's age was 7 times. So 7 times that of his son. So 7 into y minus 5. So x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 7 into 5 is 35. So collecting all the terms, x, this plus 7y will become minus 7y. Here minus 5 is there. Minus 35 will become plus 35. So x minus 7y minus 5 plus 35 is plus 30. This is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. So we got two equations. Now we have to solve the equations and find the value of x and y. So let me take a fresh page. So let us write the equation. X minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. So this is one equation. Another equation is, so what is another equation? X minus 7y plus 30 equal to 0. So this is the second equation. So from 1 we can get the value of x. So x is equal to minus 3y will become plus 3y, minus 10 will become plus 10. So this is the third equation. So we can substitute 3 in 2. So instead of x, it is 3y plus 10 minus 7y plus 30 equal to 0. So collecting the y term, so 3y minus 7y is minus 4y, 10 plus 30 is plus 40 equal to 0. So minus 4y will be equal to plus 40 will become minus 40. So both the negatives gets cancelled. Then y will be equal to 40 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 4 of 4, 0, 10. So we got y is equal to 10. So we have to substitute y is equal to 10 in third equation. So x is equal to 3 into 10 plus 10. So 3 into 10 is 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40. So we assumed Jacob's age. Jacob's age as x, which is equal to 40 years. In the same way, son's age, which we assumed it as y, which is equal to 10 years. So this is the solution. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can come at me. If you find the video useful, just like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button for further notifications. Also, online class is taken by me for CBSE Class 10 Maths. If you need any details, you can mail me. I will reply you. Thank you. Thank you for your support.